A very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. We are here in Austria, in Linz, and I have with me a very interesting guest, Mr. Milind Kumar, Director, FUEL Instruments Engineers. It's good to meet you, Milindji, here in Austria.
Good evening.
And can you let our audience know more about your company, what it does?
Yes, I am from FUEL Instruments and Engineers. Shortly, it is called the FI. FI means it is a FUEL Instruments and Engineers. We are engaged in manufacturing of engineering components, and also we are in process of manufacturing of two-wheeler as well as four-wheeler and three-wheeler components in Ichalkaranji near Kolhapur, that is in India. So we are also in machine tool division. We are in testing machines. We are making lots of testing machines, and even we are exporting some machines also. And we are also in foundry equipment and foundry division. We are in forging division. We are also manufacturing diamond indenters and test blocks. And we are also manufacturing machine shop we have. So in that machine shop we have heavy component machining as well as small component machines where sliding and stack machines are there. We are engaged in manufacturing of very precision components and very challenging components in India. Thank you.
And Milindji, we are here in the open house of WFL, and a lot of machines are displayed.
Yeah.
What sort of technology is accepted? Because I am looking at you since morning. You are keen. You are asking questions. So, what sort of machine and technology you are looking at here at the show?
Yeah. Very interesting question. Actually, I am here since yesterday, and I have WFL only the machine, not only the machine. I have seen the components, how they are manufacturing, and how they are assembling. Even I have visited their assembly shop also. I have even contacted those people who are assembling the machine. So I have contacted those people also. So the main important is the utmost care they are taking while assembling the machine. And also the utmost care they have taken for servicing of the machine, and as well as the machine in such a way they have designed that they have taken the feedback from the customer. Whatever the problems the customer they have faced, they have taken the feedback from the customer and they have designed the machine. That is the main advantage of that. And the most advantage of this machine is they have lots of range. That is 1 meter length to they have 14 meter up to 14 meter length they have the machine. And it is a multitasking machine. And one more thing is the loading unloading of the component is eliminated because now the problem is space and manpower. Both they are eliminated. It means once the component is loaded on the machine, it will be completely machined and it will be taken it out.
Oh.
So that is the advantage of this machine.
Okay.
And second thing is we don't need to have 3 or 4 machines like that.
Oh.
As these components are machined in a single setup and single machine, so the space requirement is also less, the manpower requirement is also less, and we have to depend only on one machine and only on some people, 1 or 2 operators, instead of depending on so many people. That is the main advantage. And one more thing, what they have involved in this machine is the feedback they have taken for the quality.
Oh.
If the component is completely machined, they are testing on machine itself.
Okay.
But normally what will happen, the component is taken out and it is inspected. But in this case, it is not like that. After completing the machining operation, they are doing the inspection operation there itself. There itself, they are inspecting the machine and taking it out the outcome or copy of that. That is the main advantage of this machine.
Thank you, Milindji. And ladies and gentlemen, we have got good amount of visitors, because if you see during our interview, a lot of people are walking by, and it's a good atmosphere. Thank you. Looking forward to see you in Kolhapur.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Wish you a successful WFL open house.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Bye.